If you're a beginner blogger or own a niche site, you know SEO can be overwhelming. Today, we're looking at Ranked AI, a service designed to simplify the process. Traditional SEO takes hours of keyword research, content writing, and technical tweaking. It's easy for individual creators to get stuck and lose momentum. Ranked AI is a fully managed SEO service. They handle the hard work for a flat monthly fee, acting as a bridge between DIY tools and expensive agencies. Their service focuses on three main pillars that every successful website needs: consistent content, high quality backlinks, and solid technical optimization. First, you get weekly blog posts tailored to your specific niche. This service can save you about 12 hours of writing time every single month. Beyond new articles, they also offer unlimited web copy revisions. This ensures your landing pages stay fresh and optimized for search engines. The second pillar is backlink building. Instead of low-quality links, Ranked AI uses custom outreach to earn high-quality backlinks that boost your domain authority. During your first month, their team dives deep into your site's technical health to fix issues that might be holding your rankings back. They handle schema installation, optimize core web vitals for speed, and even manage your Google business profile to improve your local visibility. Ranked AI is also future-proofing your content with generative engine optimization, or GEO. This helps your site get cited in AI responses. The goal is to move beyond just blue links and ensure your brand is the one being recommended by AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Getting started is streamlined. You fill out a simple questionnaire and connect your Google Analytics and Search Console so their team can get to work. Once you're in, you can review your customized keyword strategy through their dashboard. They support over 35 different languages for global reach. Now, let's talk pricing. Ranked AI offers three main plans, all on a month-to-month basis, with no long-term contracts or hidden fees. The standard plan is $99 a month. This is perfect for local or niche businesses, covering 25 keywords and one blog post per week. The Plus plan is $198. It's designed for more competitive markets, targeting 50 keywords with 2 weekly articles. For those aiming for nationwide reach, the Enterprise plan is $349, targeting 100 keywords and 4 articles per week. The value here is significant. Buying standalone SEO software and hiring freelancers could easily cost you 5 times as much as these bundled plans. The pros include a very accessible entry price, broad feature coverage, and the fact that you aren't locked into any long-term contracts. However, you do need to be patient. Real white-hat SEO usually takes 3 to 6 months before you start seeing significant organic traffic growth. Also, because it's a managed service, you lose some granular control over things like specific link outreach, as the team manages the entire process. Overall, Ranked AI is a great choice for beginner bloggers and niche site owners. You can find the link in the description to start your free trial today. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.